Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we are taste testing Snack Factory's pretzel chips, bacon habanero, and to go with it as a dip I got the Wal-Mart's Marketside the hot jalapeno queso dip. As you can see, I like hot stuff, so this is going to be good. Alright, let me get this open here. Alright. Give it a try here. Let's try one without it. Good flavor. I got more of the bacon taste. And you feel a little bit of the heat from the habaneros. Got a good, reasonable smell, not too bad. But it does definitely have more of a bacon taste to it than the jalapeno. Not too bad a heat. Works good with the dip. Real good. I like this. Alright. It's by Snack Factory. It's their pretzel chips. Bacon habanero. So, if you guys can find it, I found this at the grocery store. Unfortunately, I didn't find it at Walmart. But, the dip I found at Walmart. I found this at the local grocery store. So, give it a try. If you can find it. I really enjoyed it, so, well, I'll catch you guys later. I'm going to finish up these chips here.